Right, let's try another clip, keep cooking this up. In the end we have just fed a little bit more mains cable through to lengthen the earth wire. Didn't want to put it onto there, so I've just lengthened it, crimped on one of these 10mm eyelets. It's the only thing I've got to hand. Washer, I've used the Dremel just to get this blue paint off, so we've got a nice bare surface, and I've used the original screw, and that is really tight in there now. Try to push these other wires out of the way, and I've used cable ties just in there because there's only me here. If you had anyone working for you, had liability issues, then get this grommet changed, the cable clamp grommet changed, and that is pretty much it. So summary is it legal? Well, not with a European plug on the end, it isn't. The wire is very short, the conductors are very thin, so it definitely isn't legal to sell in the UK. Is it safe? No, it wasn't, because the earth screws had not been done up properly. They could have been done up tightly. I hadn't stripped the threads or anything, but it was just loose. Nobody had bothered to tighten it up. Also, the cable clamp here was ineffective, so totally unsafe, not legal. So we've got a new cable, nicely earthed, long cable as well, 3 amp fuse, and plug that in now. Oh, it should be, yeah, it's all good, no problems at all. So yeah, I certainly wouldn't buy it from Amazon for 30 quid. If you're going to get it for 12 quid from China, then yeah, it's probably worth making the changes and making it safe yourself. But it does the job, so you know, it's not very good, but at the end of the day it works for me. Just beware that it is not going to arrive to you in a safe or legal condition. So yeah, hope that helps, and that's the model we're talking about. No reason for me to believe that any of them on eBay are any different to this, but happy to stand corrected. This one was through Amazon, 30 odd pounds, and supplied, you know, next day by Amazon. So clearly they shouldn't be selling it.